Hi, my name is Jim Popa and I'm very excited that you're here because it means you're interested in learning about Facebook Live and how to use Facebook Live to explode your business, to grow your reach, to find more people, to help more people, to build your brand, and why not, to make more sales for your classes, for your products, for your services. Facebook Live is by far the most effective and most efficient way to promote yourself on the web. And the reason for that is that Facebook has created an algorithm, and by using this algorithm we'll rank different types of posts. Of all the posts, Facebook Live is the most promoted. It's actually so hard pushed by Facebook that actually it has 6 times more engagement and more points, so to speak, than any other types of posting. So it's a no-brainer to use Facebook Live, because if you do, then you will get to be in touch with so much more people, you reach so much more people than you would normally do with any other kinds of posting. So in this class, Facebook Live for coaches and therapists, I will teach you how to use Facebook Live to build your brand, to build your business. These are methods and tactics I've used for the past 3 years and with tremendous success. I have been a trainer in hypnosis and other therapeutic methods for about 6 years now. And in all my efforts with promoting and organizing the workshops and courses I was teaching in Romania and also internationally, I spent a lot of money on Facebook ads, but also I made a lot of money using this platform. Of all the different methods I use to promote my businesses and to promote my services, Facebook Live by far was the most efficient one. Just to give you an example, earlier this year I was doing a Facebook Live for just 1 hour that made me 4,500 euros, just 4,500 euros in 1 hour, and then later on brought me another 10,000 euros from one single Facebook Live. So Facebook Live is here to stay, and actually it is becoming the pinnacle of all the Facebook products. Now, in this course, Facebook Live for therapists and coaches, I will teach you why you need to do Facebook Live, what is the algorithm that Facebook uses and how to make the best of it, what you need to do before you start a Facebook Live, how do you need to prepare, what you need to set up in order to have the best results, how do you announce your public that you're going to do a Facebook Live, what do you do before, during and after such a Facebook Live, what are the different kinds of a live broadcast that you can use, and you'll discover there are many ways of using Facebook Live, not just professional but also personal and in many other ways. Also, how you can use this method to bring more content to your followers, and how you can use this method to reach new markets by inviting other people to be present and to interview other people in your live. In the end, also you learn how to use this method and how you can then syndicate the message that you put out in your Facebook Live, and also how you can repurpose the entire content. So it's a 4 or 5 hours maybe training on how to use Facebook Live and how to use from the very beginning until the very end, and you'll discover there are a lot of steps that you can use. I'll give you everything I've learned so far, everything that has worked for me. I'll also give you information on how to use different applications on your mobile, on your tablet, and also on your computer, different softwares, different websites that will help you give a more professional look to everything that you're using with Facebook Live, so that you can get the best results and then you can reach most people and help even more people than you've done so until now. So Facebook Live for coaches and therapists, if you're one of these people, and if you're not and you just want to learn how to use Facebook Live, then this is a training for you. It's going to be a very practical, hands-on training. We're going to do this live as we speak, as we go. I'm going to ask you to pull out your phone or your computer and then do a live as we are in the middle of the class, because I want you to see how it goes. How do you do it in the beginning, and how you'll do this live also in the end of the training. And so this way you will see the difference, and then you'll have all of the tools. Also, there is a manual that you will have for yourself, for your use after the training, so you can revisit everything you've learned and get even more in-depth information. Now, to sweeten the deal for you, I also bring you 3 different bonuses. Bonus number 1 is for the first 20 people that sign up, they'll have a 30-minute business coach with me on the subject. Also, I will throw in another deal for you. I created a Elman induction DVD where I go through all of the steps of the Elman induction, and also I troubleshoot every single step, and I give answers and results to every little problem that you might encounter when you use this method to work with your clients. Also, there is a third bonus. You'll get a discounted price for 3 of my upcoming courses, which range from how to use Google Ad Grants to get $10,000 a month for your advertising for free, how to use chatbots to explode your business, and I'm telling you, chatbots is the future of marketing. How to use live chat applications on your website and increase the reach and the membership on your website, and how to increase your sales on your website. I personally have had an increase of 3,500 new subscribers to my newsletter by using this one method with live chat. And so there are many other bonuses which are included here. There are many other courses which I'm going to teach in the future. You can see that down on the page. So you can see there's so much information, there's a lot of bonuses, there's a lot of information, there's a lot of value that is being offered in this class. What you need to do right now, if you want to sign up and you want to learn this and also get the 3 bonuses I told you, go ahead and click on sign up right now. Go ahead and pay up for the course, and I'll see you in the live class on June 23rd. And together we will explore this, together we will learn and grow, and then share this information so that we can all contribute to a better life for ourselves and for others. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the class. Go ahead and sign up right now, and I will see you soon.